Hey, what up, guys? So, Cyborg ST here. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the replacement radio that I bought to replace the crappy ST1 radio that all of us ST owners secretly hate. It's called the Pyle PFOCUS16. Basically, it's a touchscreen radio. It's supposed to mimic the Sony head unit that comes in the ST3. So when it's shipped to you, it comes in a really nice box. Everything's packaged nicely. As you can see, there's some accessories. It does allow for forward sync. It's got the CAN bus, GPS antenna, and various different accessories and harnesses. Everything you need to connect it to your stock stuff. As you can see, the wires are labeled correctly. It's very nice. You can tell that Pyle has taken their time. They've zip tied everything. They didn't want you to have a rat's nest. I was actually very impressed and surprised with the quality for the cost. So when you actually remove the radio from the box, you see that little frame piece there. I don't think I needed to use that. It might have been a replacement in case you broke something. But the head unit itself is packaged very snugly into the box and some thick styrofoam, and then it's wrapped in plastic, so you can tell they really care about it getting to you safely. And I gotta tell you, the head unit itself is absolutely beautiful. It is made to mimic, like I said, the ST3 stock head unit. It's got very nice tactile buttons. Everything sounds and looks good. It's got a great, clean, glossy finish. And as you can see on the back side, it's got your attachments for everything. This head unit can also play CDs and DVDs, even Blu-rays. And you can see it's got a remote and the owner's manual, registration, and information for GPS. Now, I bought this radio off of Amazon for, as you can see, $250. There were some pretty contrasting reviews. Some people, really hated it, whatever, had no luck, and then a couple of other people were like, I don't know what these guys are talking about, this radio is great. And for $250, I mean, there are worse ways to spend money like that. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger. And so far, so good. I mean, the quality is great, and it looks like a really promising replacement for my ST1 radio, which, by the way, was already going out. So let me just get to the meat and potatoes of the matter, and let's talk about my review of this product. So I've had the Pyle unit in my car for an entire day now, and I've more or less shaken it down for as a matter of speech. Let's talk about pros. So basically, it's very straightforward. Everything you see works, and it works well. The screen comes with a very thick screen protector, so sometimes you've got to press buttons twice, but as you can see, I mean, it comes with a bunch of different screensavers. You can actually upload USB screensavers. The buttons work very well. The steering wheel controls work very well. I really, everything on the device works. As far as cons, I mean, there are a few. Like I said, sometimes the interface can be a little bit clumsy. I still have yet to get forward sync to work. I'm really not holding my breath on that. I didn't like sync with the original radio. I don't have the backup camera operational as of right now. I still planning to take it to a professional installer to have him splice into the wires. And I don't think that this thing has Wi-Fi capability. I'm not sure. Luckily, it has USB ports, so you can move stuff to it. But I mean, at the end of the day, it does exactly what I needed to do, which is turn on and play music reliably. I can pop in a DVD or whatever for the kids, and it looks great. So, I mean, in conclusion, if you guys want a system with, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, you probably want to skip this system and go get something that's double or triple the price. That's going to deliver more features. But if you're like me, bare bones guy, but you don't want the really crappy stock Ford ST1 radio, then you really can't beat this. I mean, shipped to my door, $250. It does everything I need it to do. Bang for buck, you know, you can't beat it. So, I hope more people get this. I hope this is an option, an affordable option for more people. And I hope you guys enjoy it the same way I am. All right.